Believe in yourself that you are meant to live a life full of passion, purpose, magic, and miracles. With this refreshing quote, I welcome you all and I hope you all are safe and healthy. In today's session, we are going to talk about punctuation. So let's learn what are punctuations. Punctuations are the marks used in writing to express appropriate meaning of the sentences. We use capital letters and punctuation marks to make reading easier. Now let's see the rules of capitalization and punctuation. First is capital letters. According to the rule of capitalization, a sentence always begins with a capital letter, which means whenever we begin any kind of sentence, we use the first alphabet capital. Next rule of capitalization is we use capital letter for the proper nouns. That means we always write proper nouns and special names in capital letter wherever they are placed in a sentence. Next rule of capitalization is for the pronoun I. Means the pronoun I is written in capital letter wherever it appears in a sentence. Now let's look the following example. My friend and I went to see the Taj Mahal. So here in this sentence, the letter M of the word my is capital and the pronoun I is always written in capital letter, and the Taj Mahal is the name of a monument, so it's a proper noun, so we start it with a capital letter. Next punctuation is full stop. We use full stop at the end of a statement or a command and also short form of words. For example, the girl works in a hospital. Here the sentence is ending with full stop because it states clearly what the girl does. So we use full stop at the end. Next example is Sam met me at 7 a.m. Here in this sentence we have used full stop between A and M, which is the short form of anti-meridian. So we use full stop with such words to make the words shorter. Next punctuation is question mark. It is used at the end of asking sentence. Look at the following examples. What is your name and who is your best friend? As you can see, both are the sentences are ending with question mark. Why? Because they are asking some kind of information. So we use question mark with such kind of sentences. Next is exclamation mark. The exclamation mark comes at the end of a sentence that expresses strong feeling such as joy, happiness, surprise, excitement, and anger. Look at the following examples. What a beautiful scenery, and second is how cute she is. In these sentences, the speaker is expressing sudden and strong feeling of surprise and happiness. So we used exclamation mark at the end of these sentences. Next kind of punctuation is comma. A comma stands for a short pause in a sentence in the following ways. First is, comma is used to separate items on a list. For example, I bought apples, mangoes, grapes and guavas. So this is the list of fruits which I bought, but I used comma to separate them. But notice students, among these 4 fruits we have placed comma after every fruit, but between the last 2 fruits we have not placed comma. Thus we have used conjunction and to join them. Second rule, comma is also used to set off words and phrases such as yes, no, will, of course, please from the rest of the sentence. For example, no, I don't need a glass of water. So in this sentence, no is an introductory word. So we need to give a little pause after saying like no, I don't need a glass of water. So by putting comma, we are separating no from the rest of the sentence. Third rule, comma is also used to set off the name of a person spoken to directly. This means that when two or more than two people are speaking to each other and one is addressing to others, so we will place a comma before or after the name of a person who is being addressed. Like in this first example, Rohan, can you give me my book? So like in this example, comma is placed just after the name of a person to whom we are addressing. Next example is, are you going to play, Rohit? So comma is placed just before the name of a person to whom we are addressing. Next punctuation is apostrophe. The apostrophe is used to show that something belongs to someone. For example, John is driving his uncle's car. So the car belongs to uncle. So we use apostrophe s just after uncle to make it possessive. Students, if the noun is singular, then we use apostrophe s with the singular noun. But if the noun is plural, so we just add an apostrophe to make it possessive. As you can see in the second example, the kids' toys are in the basket. So we have placed apostrophe after kids, which is plural noun. Next rule is, the apostrophe is also used to shorten the words. For example, it's a sunny day. So here, instead of saying it is, we have used apostrophe to make the word short. So it has become it's. Next example is, don't touch my toys. Here also don't is the short form of do not. So by using apostrophe, we can make such words shorter. Next is inverted commas. Inverted commas are used to show the exact words of a speaker. That means the dialogues which are spoken by the person, so we put them in inverted commas. They can be single quotes or double quotes. We usually use single quotes. For example, Shivani said she loves to dance. So here, she loves to dance. This is the exactly speech which is spoken by Shivani. So we put them in inverted commas. Next is, I told to my friend, I will accept your challenge. So here also the words which are spoken by the speaker, we put them in inverted commas. Thank you.